Today's news, 10 August 2020. Good morning. You're listening to Khushbu, your news anchor from La Farah News. Here we bring you all the updated news from around the world. PM Narendra Modi will inaugurate and dedicate to the nation through video conferencing the submarine optical fiber cable connecting Chennai and Port Blair on 10th August. 12 Naxals surrendered before Dantewada police today under Lone Varatu program. In the last 2 months, 71 Naxals, including 15 with reward on their heads, surrendered. AM's remark at the CIA event referred to our shared Buddhist heritage. There is no doubt that Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini, which is in Nepal, MEA spokesperson Anurag Srivastav said. Union Home Minister Amit Shah expresses gratitude to PM Modi for launching Rs 1 lakh crore Agriculture Infrastructure Fund and says it will generate new employment opportunities and strengthen rural economy. In separate incidents, Haryana police seized 500 kg poppy husk and 64.75 kg marijuana from Jind and Palwal districts. Ex gratia of Rs 2 lakhs each from PM's National Relief Fund would be given to the next of kin of those who have lost their lives due to fire at COVID-19 center in Vijayawada. Major and tough decisions are being taken to promote self-reliance in defense production, PTI quoting Defense Minister Rajnath Singh said. 2 NDRF teams consisting of 57 people, full unit of Idukki fire and rescue team leading the rescue operations in Rajmala. A landslide occurred in Badrinath National Highway in Lambagar of Chamoli district. Andaman and Nicobar Island is at strategic location in relation to trade and blue economy. It is linked to Kerala, Kolkata and Bangladesh. PM said. 2 islands in Andaman and Nicobar selected for promoting high impact routes. Government to put emphasis on sea organic coconut based foods, PM Modi says. Work on to connect some islands and seaplanes and 300 km of national highway in Andaman and Nicobar, PM Modi says. I, Khushbu, will come with new updated news tomorrow.